How to do pull-ups. Step-by-step guide. 1. Set your grip. Stand under the pull-up bar. Grip the bar slightly wider than shoulder width. Use an overhand grip, palms facing away. 2. Hang with control. Let your body hang fully. Keep your shoulders slightly engaged. Don't let them shrug up too much. Keep your core tight and legs straight or slightly bent. 3. Start the pull. Pull your chest up toward the bar. Think drive elbows down toward your ribs. Keep your body from swinging. Use your core. 4. Reach the top position. Pull until your chin is above the bar. Squeeze your upper back and lats. 5. Lower with control. Lower yourself slowly back to a full hang. Don't drop fast. Control builds strength and protects your shoulders. Muscles working. Pull-ups are a powerful upper body movement that targets lats, main muscle on your back, biceps, upper back, traps, rhomboids, forearms, and grip strength. Core muscles to keep you stable. Benefits of pull-ups. Builds a strong V-shaped back. Improves grip and forearm strength. Strengthens the core. Enhances athletic performance and stability. Can be done anywhere with a bar. Very functional. Tips for better pull-ups. Use a controlled motion. No swinging or kipping. Keep your chest up and avoid rounding your shoulders. Think of pulling the bar down to you, not pulling yourself up. Start with assisted variations if you can't do a full pull-up yet. If you can't do a pull-up yet, progressions. Try these easier variations. Unassisted pull-ups, band or machine. 2. Negative pull-ups, jump up, lower slowly. 3. Australian rows, body rows, 4. Lat pull-downs. 5. Dead hangs to build grip strength. Thanks for watching. Check my next video.